Hi everyone, my name is Sissi and currently I'm at Vigo University in Spain at the Divulgare lab. I'm doing an STSM on an exciting project on plant conservation for science communication for kids to conserve plants. And let me tell you a bit more details about it. I prepared some slides and here they are. The name of the project is Children's Book as a Strategy for Plant Conservation. And together with Marta Berberis and Carolina Hruskova and Luis Navarro, we're developing some stories to put together a book for kids between 6 and 10 years old. So the main supervision is of Luis Navarro and co-supervision of Aiba Cruz. So the methodology that we implemented for this, it can be divided into parts: scientific background and story writing, and illustration and design and publishing. The first part, we have the selection of the species, the revision of different things, deciding which traits, which things to tell, and with this to write the stories. And the second part is more about thinking about the type of illustrations, the design, the editorial, and the final printing. So the first part is already finished, and the second part is steps to follow later. So here are the 4 species that we decided to focus on. The first one is endemic from Spain. The second is endemic from Italy. Third, endemic from Czech Republic. And the last one is endemic from Israel. And the stories about these species are the one that is endemic from Spain. We will focus on the pollinators. The story is going to be about the pollinators, specifically about some pollinators that are nectar robbers are actually turned to be efficient pollinators in this species. About Primula penina, we're also going to talk about pollinators, and it's going to be a story in a rhyme way to tell who is the main pollinator of this species, if it's a hawkmoth, a real pollinator, or it's a nectar robber. For the third species of Minuartis makeli, we're going to tell the story about the Minuartia family, how Minuartis makeli came to be, how it went adapted to very highly specialized basic serpentine soils, and how the populations were threatened, almost extinct in the 60s because there was a highway and dam construction. But then conservation strategies were implemented and we are saving the species. And finally, the Iris atropurpurea species, which is has a pollination system of a reward that is used as a shelter for overnight for these Eucera bees, and that might get like a hit reward the next morning. So the story is going to be about a Eucera bee called Antenita and the black iris. So story here, I did some sketches. I am in charge of this story, which is Antenita and the black iris. And today I was actually working in some sketches of the story, and here I can show you. So previous I've been working on about the story of Antenita and the black iris. And hopefully this will be finished soon together with the other 3 stories, put the whole book together and will be finished soon, hopefully. So thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll keep you updated about all the future developments. Bye.